Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We are going to take a look at a 2013 Grizzly G8621 5 horsepower sliding table shaper. This Grizzly G8621 sliding table shaper features a 5 horsepower 220 volt single phase motor. It comes with both a 3/4 inch and 1 1/4 spindle. It can reach spindle speeds of 3600, 5100, 8000, and 10,000 RPM. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.